night, teacher. My name is Javier Carrasco Salazar. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I am good. Then you about you?
I am good too. I want to hear you about your living room. Where is your sofa?
My sofa is next to the wall close to the window. I also just a small coffee table in front it. Where is your TV?
My TV is on that corner of the living room next to that bookcase. I also have a lamp beside I, the TV. What, our, what around your desk? What does you think is
My desk is in my bedroom by the window. I like working with natural light and I keep my computer on it. What about your bed? Where it is it?
my bed is in the middle of the room with two nightstands on the side. I also have a mirror on the wall. I roll back of the nightstand and where you keep your wardrobe.
My wardrobe is near door on the left side. It's big and I keep all my clothes there.
Uh, so, so this nice thank you for saying.
No problem. It's what to hear about your place to tell to you later.
See you.
Thank you.